guys, and it is
Robot Transformers robot.
Yeah, guys.
We can do like this.
That's nice. So it's like a robot where you like pick this up.
Broken.
So yeah.
And
We're actually gonna open it, guys.
With
So
this, with this scissors and with this, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
I got glasses, you know. See.
Oh yeah, guys, he got glasses. They're blue, his favorite color, right, sir?
Yeah.
So I opened up the flap. I'm opening up the next
I'm
one.
excited for open, I think.
All you have to do is put some more tape on.
I'm very excited for open.
There's just a ton of tape, that's it. And then this side over here.
Hey, I'm trapped. Hurry. Help, guys.
So yeah,
Whoa.
this should come up. Yep, like it did.
I'm upside down. I'm upside down.
He's acting to be a person. So I'm putting this
I'm
on.
upside down. Help.
And I can move back.
Please strap
Okay,
me.
guys, so I'm taking this card.
I'm happy. I'm stable.
He's acting like he's the guy. I'm just, if you can't see it back here, but I'm just taking, thank you. I'm basically just cutting this knot down.
I'm getting pieces out and you do this sound, okay?
We might be just unboxing this video, and the next video we might be doing, like, we're going to be building and assembling this. So I don't really know how.
What? You have this bread. It's so rude. Not bread. How does we have bread?
Oh, I don't know.
That's fake. Right? I know that's pieces. Oh my god.
So I'm just trying to take the knot out. Okay, so we got one knot out, guys. One tire is loose. Time to take the other one. Sandra's gonna be taking out the toys, guys.
Yeah. The tracks. This one is very big. I really don't want to do big.
There we go. So I got the car out.
It's very big. Well, that one is really
So
one
it
is this
just
big.
goes up
You read this cannot big.
like this. And then these hands come up and then the thing goes. It feels really perfectly on this mat that we have. There's so many different.
Well, let's walk here.
So I'm gonna help him out a bit. So
Oh, I saw something. Here is one. I saw one.
That's the car.
Safe.
And guys, there are lots of packages. I'm looking for the owner's. Okay.
Look at this.
So there's the owner's manual, guys.
This transformable robot.
More like a instruction manual. This I'm gonna use my hands on to take apart first.
We need something for over this.
This is like a board which you put on.
We'll put on.
Okay, so the first step is that you need this, guys. Wait, it says that I need something like with claws. I'm trying to look. What do I do? No, okay. So these are the parts.
Oh, you need this.
Yeah, like a claw.
What?
Kind of like a claw.
This?
No. Oh, okay. This one. So then I need to
This?
take which parts do I?
Yes, all of them.
Yeah, I'm just taking this part off.
Bro, look at this. You forgot something. You forgot something. Bro, you forgot something.
I'm not sure. No. I'm gonna take that out part later. We don't really need that right now. sorry if you can't hear me, guys.
Okay, you gotta hear me, you want to. You need this up there.
Okay, so
Open this too.
I need something, but I can't really find it.
Yeah, toothbrush. This looks like the toothbrush I'm trying. Whoa. That is rough. Wow. Oh.
Oh yeah, I think that's what I need.
What?
No, something else. This is like a projectile.
This guy puts a car.
Yeah, that's what pushes the car. Oh yeah, these guys. These were what I needed. So they go in like this.
Where we put in this bowl? Where we put in this?
Here. This one is on there. Okay. So this is gonna need a bit of my help.
Something is strange.
Yes.
Look at this. This is building.
Oh no, it's supposed to be like that, so you put it in. I'm trying to make sure this fits well. Because right now, it's not really helping me out much.
I can help you on there. Yeah.
I'm going to try to see if I can put on the side first. That could work.
Oh,
There we go. So this side works, man. Oh, maybe I was putting it on the wrong way. Yep, this is the way.
that's
No
it.
wonder. Okay, there we go. Oh, this one's there we go. All right, guys, got that set up. And now you need this. I'm pretty sure.
Whoa, look
Yeah.
at this. Look at this guy.
And,
This guy should like this.
This goes right here.
You can blow. I
And then,
want to
guys, now so
blow.
this is more like yes.
I want to show you. Get this.
Oh, that's cool. So this one's gonna be like this now.
Front barrel. Yeah.
Right, nice.
Super speed.
And now I need the top. Which is no, not that. This one I did. Yes, this one goes that way. So it should be like this. It's telling me it's like this way, guys. But I don't know.
Now we did this after this, right?
Is it this way?
I think so.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Why is that building anymore?
What?
Why is that building?
Why did I do what?
Why is this building like this?
Oh, it's supposed to, I think.
It's not building anymore.
I don't know. It's fine. So, this top is on. It looks secured. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
Click off that. So, I'm trying to make sure it's secured.
Now I was happy. This is broken. I fixed this. That's why.
So this should be fine. And I need something like, it's a weird shaped thing.
What?
It's something really weirdly shaped. At this point, I don't even know what it is.
You know what they're talking about? Oh,
Oh,
jail?
wait, guys, so I'm gonna have to take this back out.
Why?
So,
I'm sure you can do this.
I don't know. I'm trying to put it in.
I can push for you. You want to?
Oh no, it's fine.
Okay, I guess I'll do it to go. It's so easy. Push it outside the door and happen.
So
You almost split
I'll
it.
try that later on, guys. I think it's this. I'm not really sure at all.
Oh, this
Wow.
one. Wow. I think I can do it. I can do it for you.
It's fine. So,
I take it off that part.
I know something, but I don't know what it is.
Well, why are you looking at it? The egg.
When I look at the box, maybe that could help. Oh, okay, so is that? But,
Egg.
oh, okay, so this is what it is. I was looking for this. And then it goes in like this? No. It goes in like this, yeah.
You like oversight?
So,
You like oversight?
I don't know. Maybe. The other way. This won't really make it go in. Oh wait, is it this? Oh, so it's
Now
back
we
there.
need this.
It's back there,
We
guys.
need this.
Now I have to put, this on. I put it on right around
Heel.
here. So it should be like this. There we go.
I put it in the car.
Not yet. There we go.
Now we need this. We did this.
So then this is gonna go.
We did this.
Yes, I know. Now you have to put these two things on the side.
Can you see?
So,
Oh, right. Heel.
more like, I think it's on the side. So it's like, no, this way maybe? Yes. Yeah, guys, so. It does take a lot of pressure, I have to say that. It does take a lot of pressure.
This is a bumblebee track. This is a bumblebee track heel.
I know. There. So. I'm trying to... Okay, guys. So in the previous, the clip, we were gonna show you the finished project. It took quite a long time to finish. And guys, here is the finished project. So my brother's gonna try it. It's pretty much like this, and then it captures right here, and it goes down.
We did this right now.
Yeah, guys. So this part was not working. Actually, we finally put it on somehow.
We find
There
a
we go.
way for make a day.
Okay, so Sam, you try. No, do it slowly. A little bit. Almost there. Ah. Oh, so close, so close. No, don't do it. Oh, okay. And then it gets captured and it goes down here. And then you can take it out. You can take it
Oh,
out.
what a
here.
great idea.
Like this. And then you put it here. So guys, I'm gonna put this away.
Hot Wheels car can do
Maybe the Hot Wheels car can do it.
the
I'm not
big
sure.
one.
No, it's not gonna make it. It won't fit through the hole.
It takes
No, I don't think it should.
dial. Can't get off.
Yeah, so I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work. Anyway, thanks for watching. We just wanted to show you what it was like. I hope you liked this video. And bye.